Hey guys, my name is Bea. Today, my mom is washing my hair, and the first thing my mom does on wash day is wash my hair and my scalp.
With shampoo, right?
With shampoo,
Yeah.
yes. And welcome to the video, guys.
I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place.
Hi guys, I'm Christy. My daughter Ave is going to be doing my voiceover with me today, which is so special. Today we are washing her hair with some Carol's Daughter products, which I absolutely love. I'm giving her scalp a good gentle scrub down because it has been almost 2 weeks since I washed her hair. Her hair has been in cornrows. I gave her a relax half of the day just to kind of let her hair relax a little bit before I started washing.
It really feels good when my mommy washes my scalp because it makes my hair nice and moisturized.
Yeah, it does. Does it feel good? I love it when I get my scalp, or when I wash my scalp with my fingers. It feels good, especially when it's in a style for a while, huh?
Yeah.
Do you like this product? Do you like the smell of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it smelled really good.
It smells good.
'Cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious time.
What's your favorite hairstyle? Like what Mama does to your hair. What's your favorite one? Or what's a hairstyle that you wish you could have that you've seen before?
So hard to say.
Yeah?
You do every hairstyle that I know. But
Yeah? Was there a hairstyle that you've seen that you want to have in your hair? Do you want to try? Oh.
I don't know.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing with my head all the time? You go way out of line. Sunshine, don't keep me waiting.
First, my mom is putting conditioner in my hair.
I truly feel that conditioning the hair is probably the most important part of this routine. Her hair can get so dry so quickly, even during washing, without adding lots of water to it over and over. So I really suggest taking your time with the conditioner, making sure that every strand of hair is properly moisturized and saturated. And I recommend letting it sit for a little bit. You'll see in a little bit that I let her sit for 5 minutes just to make sure that the conditioner absorbs into the hair as much as possible before I rinse it out.
It's your ringtone. I get chills when you call. Wanna give you my heart. So I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I'll give you my tomorrow. Forever and now.
Hey guys, isn't this brush so cute? I love that it's the color pink and it doesn't hurt when my mom brushes.
I absolutely love this detangling brush that I found on Amazon, and it's a plus that it's super cute in a pink color. I really want to make this experience enjoyable for Avea and I as I sit here and talk to her and detangle her hair, so having it be hurt-free is really a plus. Plus, I don't want to be damaging her hair when I detangle, so I appreciate that this brush just really glides through the hair to avoid any damage. If you guys are needing a new detangling brush, I will definitely put the link below. All of the products and supplies that you see in this video will be listed below just in case you guys are curious.
So don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now.
Detangling is definitely time consuming and it's obviously not completely painless. I mean, who likes getting their hair detangled? But this brush really does make it so much easier.
Mom's done detangling my hair. She's gonna rinse it out with fresh water. Love it because I think I'm at the spa.
Now that Avea's hair is nice and clean and moisturized and detangled and I rinsed it with fresh water, I'm going to go ahead and apply a generous amount of Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner. This is so important that it stays nice and moisturized because especially after washing, it can get pretty tangly pretty quick. So this is absolutely a must. This evening, after I wash my other daughter Elia's hair, I'm going to be styling both of the girls into some twists. So this really just helps penetrate the hair and make sure it's nice and moisturized so it's easier to work with later on today. If you guys are interested in seeing how I twist Avea's hair, that video will be coming soon, so make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We love you. Bye!